Are you tired of waking up to the same dull, tired skin every morning? No matter how many expensive creams or serums you try? What if I told you that the secret to unlocking glowing, youthful skin overnight could be hiding in your kitchen right now? Yes, I'm talking about beetroot. This humble vegetable is not just good for your health, but it's a miracle worker for your skin, boosting blood flow and collagen while you sleep. Stick around because in today's video, I'm going to unveil 3 simple and transformative beetroot beauty rituals that will not only give you instant results, but are also incredibly easy to incorporate into your nightly routine. And the best part? The first one takes just 5 minutes to prepare, but the effects are truly remarkable. Let's dive right into these beauty secrets that your skin will thank you for. Number 1. Golden Anti-Aging Beetroot Oil. This anti-aging beetroot oil is packed with skin rejuvenating nutrients that hydrate, tighten, and restore your skin overnight. The best part? You can easily make it at home with just a few simple ingredients. Here's how to make it. Peel and grate 1 small beetroot and 1 medium carrot. Add 1 tablespoon of dried lavender flowers and 150 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil. Heat the mixture in a water bath for 30 minutes over medium heat. This method ensures the nutrients remain intact. Let it cool, then strain through a medical gauze to remove the solid bits. Then store in a glass jar and refrigerate for up to 2 months. Each night before bed, take a few drops of the oil, gently massage it into your face, neck, and décolleté. Massage in circular motions until fully absorbed. This helps boost circulation and allows the skin to soak in all the goodness overnight. Within a week, your skin will feel firmer, smoother, and more elastic. Wrinkles will soften, dark circles will fade, and your complexion will glow like never before. Plus, the soothing lavender scent is a bonus for relaxation and better sleep. Now, if you're loving the sound of our golden anti-aging beetroot oil and can't wait to try it out tonight, you're going to be even more excited about what's coming up next. But before we dive into our second ritual, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered why some people's skin seems to defy aging? The secret could very well be in natural remedies just like these. Coming up, I'm going to show you a beetroot collagen face mask that not only plumps up your skin for that coveted youthful look, but does so with ingredients you already have at home. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. It's a game changer for your skin. Let's get ready to take your skincare routine to the next level. Why it works. Beetroot is a powerhouse of antioxidants that neutralize free radicals, slow down premature aging, and boost skin's elasticity. Combined with carrots, rich in beta-carotene and vitamin A, they repair damaged skin and even out skin tone. Lavender, known for its anti-inflammatory and calming properties, is perfect for reducing redness, irritation, and puffiness. And olive oil deeply hydrates and locks in moisture, preventing dryness and wrinkles. But why stop at oil? Now that your skin is prepped and nourished, let's talk about a collagen-boosting mask that will give you instant plumpness and glow. Number 2, Beetroot Collagen Face Mask. This intensive collagen boosting mask provides an instant skin plumping effect, deep hydration, and a youthful glow from the very first use. In order to make it, grate 1 small beetroot and extract 3 tablespoons of juice. Mix with 1 tablespoon of powdered gelatin. Heat the mixture in a water bath until it liquefies, then let it cool slightly. Apply it evenly on your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Avoid the eye area and let it dry for 20 minutes before gently peeling it off. Just after the first use, your skin will appear visibly plumper, smoother, and more radiant. With regular use, your skin texture will improve. Fine lines will fade and your skin will regain its youthful elasticity. Why it works? Beetroot juice is packed with vitamin C and betaine. It stimulates collagen production and brightens dull skin. Gelatin acts as a natural filler, instantly smoothing fine lines and wrinkles. Now that we've treated our skin from the outside, it's time for the ultimate bedtime ritual. A beetroot-infused drink that works from the inside out while you sleep. Number 3, Beetroot Night Drink. What if you could wake up looking fresher, brighter, and healthier just by sipping on a delicious beetroot night drink? This bedtime drink boosts circulation, detoxifies the body, and enhances collagen production while you sleep. And don't worry, it's very simple to make. Blend 1 small beetroot, 1 carrot, and 1 apple for natural sweetness, and a pinch of ginger for its anti-inflammatory benefits. Strain the juice and drink it 1 hour before bed. Use organic produce to avoid pesticide exposure, and add a splash of lemon for an extra dose of vitamin C, which helps with collagen production. Once you start drinking it regularly, within 2 weeks you'll notice brighter, more even skin tone, reduced puffiness and dark circles, a natural healthy glow that lasts all day, and better digestion and increased energy levels. Why it works? Beetroot improves blood circulation, helping skin receive more oxygen and nutrients overnight. Carrots are packed with vitamin A and repairs and regenerates skin cells. Apples contain antioxidants that promote a healthier glow, and ginger reduces inflammation, helping to keep skin clear and youthful. Lemon boosts collagen production and brightens the skin. This drink isn't just for beauty, it's a powerful detoxifier that supports your your overall well-being and skin health at the same time. Ready to revolutionize your skincare routine with simple, natural solutions that truly work? Don't just take my word for it. Try these 3 beetroot beauty rituals tonight and see the transformation for yourself. And remember, achieving glowing, youthful skin isn't just about what you put on your face. It's also about how you treat your body. So what's next? Join us in our next adventure in wellness by watching our upcoming video, Do These Stretches in 2025 and Never Age. These easy stretches are designed to complement your skincare routine by enhancing circulation and skin elasticity, ensuring your skin isn't just treated topically, but also from within. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our weekly tips and tricks for natural beauty and health. Have you tried any beetroot remedies before? Or do you have any questions about today's rituals? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you and learning about your experiences. Your feedback helps us bring more helpful content to this community. Share this video with friends and family who are looking for effective, natural skincare solutions. They'll thank you later. Let's spread the word about sustainable beauty and show everyone how easy and impactful natural remedies can be.